Basic English with Miss Princess. Cleaning actions vocabulary. Dusting the cabinet, dusting the cabinet. Sweeping the dust, sweeping the dust. Mopping the floor, mopping the floor. Making the bed, making the bed. Scrubbing the tiles, scrubbing the tiles. Sanitizing the hands, sanitizing the hands. Disinfecting the doorknob, disinfecting the doorknob. Wiping the table, wiping the table. Washing the dishes, washing the dishes. Drying the plates, drying the plates. Picking up the trash, picking up the trash. Throwing away the garbage, throwing away the garbage. Doing the laundry, doing the laundry. Hanging the clothes, hanging the clothes. Ironing the garment, ironing the garment. Organizing the closet, organizing the closet. Vacuuming the dirt, vacuuming the dirt. Mowing the lawn, mowing the lawn. Squeegeeing the window, squeegeeing the window. Tidying up the toys, tidying up the toys. Arranging the pantry, arranging the pantry. Brushing the toilet bowl, brushing the toilet bowl. Flushing the toilet, flushing the toilet. Polishing the shoes, polishing the shoes.